Hello from Taj Medics. First of all, I need to thank everyone that's subscribed to our YouTube channel, which we've reached 100k now, and I really appreciate everyone that's following it, subscribed to it, liking and sharing the videos, and also watching it as well. And yeah, so thank you once again for helping me reach 100k. Now, coming to business, I've got a Citroen DS3 here on a 2015 plate. I'm just going to show you how to replace basically the main dip beam bulb on that one. And the bulb that's required for it is a H7 bulb, and you can find that in the description as well. But before we do anything, let's just get on to business and show you how it's done. Right, now this is the car, and that's the bulb we're replacing. The bulb required is a H7 bulb right here. And once again, I'm working on my own, so it is going to be quite awkward to get to things, but it's not going to be difficult. As you can see right there, that's the bulb holder right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the plug first. So wiggle, wiggle, disconnect the plug. And then the spring that needs to come down is the top bit here. So what you do, you push the spring on the top, you'll be able to feel it. So push the spring, take it out from one side, and then the other one on the other side as well. Now the way the bulb is situated, the pin locator on the H7 bulb is facing up. So when you take the new one out, take the old one out. I'm going to just grab the new one. And always remember, when you do hold the bulb, the new ones, never hold it from the lens itself. So hold it from the back. Now the way it goes, sort of the pin locator is on the top. That's it. And then bring the spring forward. Push the spring in and out. And then same thing on the other side. And then plug it in. Just going to check the lights, make sure they're working. Rightio, that's it, they're working now. As you can see, just remember to put the cover back on the back as well. Just going to switch the ignition off. Right, that's all done for you. It was quite a simple job. If there is anything else you need to know, please do drop us a message and we'll try to help you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Citroen as well, and also the bulbs. If there's any other cars that you're sort of looking for and you can't find it, just go into a playlist, you'll definitely find the one that you need. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again for helping me reach 100k. Thank you and goodbye.